Alhamdulillah, sejak dari 6 tahun lalu, akhirnya sekarang musik video ini terwujud.
From the start, our love was intertwined. Day and night, the world felt so divine. From the start, our love was tightly bound. Day and night, the world was shining around. No words spoken, silence deep inside. Only longing, only love I hide. But now the feeling slowly fades away. Something precious slipped, I couldn't make it stay. Now hopes are broken, dreams fall apart. I'm the only one left guarding this heart. Promises gone, carried by the wind. I stand alone where love has been. I thought the heat would last till night, but rain came down in broad daylight. Like a boat still trying to sail, it sinks in sorrow, trapped and frail. I tried to hold what was already gone, smiling outside, but inside torn. Now hopes are broken, dreams fall apart. I'm the only one left guarding this heart. thought the heat would last till night, but rain came down in broad daylight, like a boat still trying to sail.
Penonton yang budiman, bagaimana pendapat Anda tentang video ini?